The aim of this video is to explain you how to pack the parachute in the VectorSave 25 system, which is used for Inspire 1, Inspire 2, and also for the M200 and 210 series for DJI. So those drones will be in the range of from 3 to 7 kilos roughly, so you will be able to pack a couple of different sizes of parachutes in this tube. Tube is preloaded, so it's ready to take the parachute in whenever I'm ready with the packing. And I will take the parachute lines are not tangled, so they are already cleaned. So I will collect all the lines to one spot like this, and the table or good amount of table space is your friend here. However, this should be enough. I'm looking at the corners, so I will take two corners together. And then I will actually find the remaining two corners, which will go to the other side. There may be many ways to do this, but this is one way. So I will actually fold this back. I'm getting a nice shape in terms of managing the length of the lines, which are then on the other side. So now this is somewhat rectangular, and I will take the lines, making sure I don't make a mess, and the lines will be placed in the middle. They will open nicely when the parachute is deployed. So I will then take the air out of the package, and here I'm using 4 folds, and finally I'm wrapping this or rolling this into a roll, and this roll will then go inside the tube. It should go in fairly easily, so that we know that there is no friction when it wants to come out. Finally the parachute is inside, so I'm rolling this loose connecting line, which will finally connect to the harness inside there, and you see that you have now packed the parachute. As you packed it many times, you probably see that if the cap is coming a little bit loose, this normally holds it when this is held with the rubber band or whatever your paramount system is. But if you are thinking that it's too loose, you can also use a little strip of masking tape inside here, so that any cap that has along or over time become a little bit loose, you can trim it by adding a little bit masking tape inside, so it will be a tight and snug fit again. Thank you.